Hi everyone, my name is Jessie and I'm a member of the education team here at Forest Park Forever. Today I'm in the brand new Nature Playscape and I'm going to go explore some paths and see how it feels to be in this space. Come along, let's go explore. What did you notice today as we were moving through the playscape? For me, I felt sun on my skin, I heard crunching under my feet, and I heard birds singing behind me. All of these things helped me have a really fun time in the playscape today. We hope to see you here soon. Thanks!